Learn this shoulder and neck massage technique, and your girlfriend will never leave you again. First step, pinch and knead here. With 4 fingers below and thumb on top, exert force upwards while pinching and kneading. Knead upwards about 30 times. Okay, second step, use this method to scoop the neck upwards. Scoop from the vertebra prominence upwards. The force must be sinking and gentle while scooping upwards. Scoop about 30 times. Okay, third step, with 4 fingers starting from here. Scoop upwards. The angle is different on each side. Check both sides, from here to here. From here to here. Scoop about 30 times. Fourth step, flick from here upwards with fingers. Flick upwards with 4 fingers. Towards the area behind ears. Beauticians, learn this technique and triple your performance. Save and follow, study slowly. You'll feel very relaxed after this. Next, I'll introduce how to solve stiff neck through shoulder and neck massage. Stay tuned.